These are the directions for formatting your World's Fair handout. As you can see on the side, we have 6 steps we need to complete to do this. Step number 1 is make sure your heading is filled in. To do this, you need to have the name of your country at the top, your flag in the middle, and your name at the bottom. Once you have done this, you're going to go on to step 2. Step 2 is to delete directions and link. You're going to delete all of the directions and the link towards the top by highlighting and deleting. Step number 3 is to clear formatting. You're going to do this so that all of your text is the same size, font, and color. To do this, you're going to highlight everything that you have done. Highlighting everything. Then, at the top, there's a little button that has a T with a slash through it. You're going to click on that, and then everything is going to become the same, as we can see here. Step 4 is to make sure all parentheses are deleted. For example, you may see that down here where you see capital and it says include population. You're going to want to delete that along with the parentheses and anywhere else you see parentheses. Step 5 is to delete all spaces between lines. Everything is going to be single spaced in the end. So, for example, to get rid of the space here, I'm just going to hit delete, delete, until everything is right on top of each other. Continue to do that until everything is all together. As you can see, all of the spaces have been taken out between all of my information. Step number 6 is to do what you need to do to fit all of your information on one page. This might require you doing several different things. For example, you might want to get rid of all the space between your information and your heading. So we'll do that. Sometimes you might need to make your flag smaller. So we'll do that as well. And then even still, if all of your information isn't on one page, you might need to change the margins on your document. To do that, you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Page Setup, and you're going to change the margins here. I would recommend making all of them 0.5, and you'll see that there's now more space for your information. Finally, I added a step 7 as I was making this video, and it's to make all of your information titles bold. This is so people can actually see the different things that you are trying to convey to them. So, you're going to highlight the information titles, and you're going to click bold. You are not going to bold the actual information that you got, just the information titles, as you see I am doing here. As you can see, I have bolded all of my information titles. Once you have done that, you are essentially done. At this point, you can move things around, you can change the font, the color, as long as everything is the same and everything is all on one page.